In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add masonry in Framer. Masonry is the layout style you've seen on image-heavy sites where cards stack tightly in columns with varying heights, creating a clean, Pinterest-like flow. It's great for galleries, blogs, and any grid where items aren't all the same size. Let's set it up together. Start by opening your Framer project. Once you're in the canvas, look to your layout controls. Open the Layout section so you can choose how your selected frame or collection arranges its children. From the available layout options, switch the layout to Masonry. The moment you do this, Framer will flow your items into columns and automatically balance the vertical gaps for you. If your grid doesn't change, make sure you've selected the correct parent frame or collection. When in doubt, click the highlighted container in the canvas and confirm you're adjusting the layout for the right layer. Next, set up navigation from one of your items. With a card or element selected, open the link control. Choose to link to a page in your project, then pick Pages and select the home page. If you want the click to open in a separate tab, choose New tab. When Framer asks you to confirm the change, click Yes. If you see any highlighted prompts along the way, follow them to apply the selection to the active element. Now let's look at positioning, because masonry relies on natural flow to calculate heights. Open the position settings. You can temporarily set a layer to absolute if you want to see how a pinned element behaves on top of the grid, but be aware that absolute positioning removes the item from the normal flow and can cause overlap in a masonry layout. If you notice that happening, switch it back to relative so the item participates in the column flow again. In short, reserve absolute for intentional overlays and keep grid items relative so masonry can do its job. If you toggled absolute while experimenting, make sure you end with relative for your core content. When everything looks right in the canvas, go ahead and publish. Publishing lets you verify the masonry behavior in a real browser environment and ensures links,